Hello everyone, as you can see this is the gas stove I am not using from the last 2 years. So as you can see the surface is very much rusty. I am gonna show you. As you can see this is also rusted and the lighter is also rusted, but it is quite working. And as you can see on the bottom here also some sort of rust is there. I will show you how to clean this one. First of all we need to wash this one with water, plain water, by using some brush, metal brush or any brush is also fine. So let me take this off and wash with water. Hey guys, I am taken this outside. As you can see it is very much rusty. I'll show you how to wash this one. First of all you should remove this one and this one as well. It will easily come off, and after that you should remove this one, put it here and remove this one as well. Some cockroach is there. Okay, turn this off on the opposite side and remove this screw. Remove the screw. And now just pull up and remove this one. It will easily come off. Okay, you should wash this one as well with plain water. Should do the same thing for this one as well. Remove the screw. This is also easily come off. Okay, disintegrated all this thing. Now you should remove these knobs. Okay, I will show you. As you can see I have removed everything, and this burner also I have removed. First of all what you have to do is you just wash with the plain water, either using this metal brush or some PVC brush. You can use either of this and wash with water. As you can see, after cleaning with the plain water, it looks like this. I put it here to dry for some time. Now just apply a force in the opposite direction and remove this one. It's very easy to fix. Just put it like this, or just pull it, it will easily come off. So this is the final finishing, guys, after removing all the rust. So as you can see, still some dots is there. All the rust has been gone. Okay, but you will find all these marks. Okay, you can't able to remove this. These are all some pitting is happened. It's called some pitting corrosion. Okay, anyways, it's fine. We can fit all the components and you can reuse this gas stove. Alright guys, everything has been fixed, but this knob has broken, as you can see. So I need to replace this one, but everything is working fine. Anyway, I have fixed this stove and I will be using from tomorrow. So as you can see how it looks, this is the final look of the stove. As you can see, everything has been washed. We can reuse it as usual. So I'm closing this video. This is the end of the video. Okay, if you like this video, please be appreciated. Until then, see you guys in the next one. Bye.